Hello Math 3 students. This video is because I noticed a lot of you did not sign up for a class for next year. And I'm guessing that you would like to. So I'm going to walk through your choices for next year. And some of you may have signed up and you just didn't know what your options were. So please listen to this video because you might change your mind. Either way, if you change your mind or if you forgot to sign up, you can send me an email and I can make a teacher recommendation for whichever class you would like. Okay, so currently you're in Math 3. Now, after Math 3, you have options depending on what grade you got in Math 3. So let's break this down. If you got an A in Math 3, or a B, or a C, you can go on to Math 4. Okay, so any of these courses here, you could sign up for Math 4. Okay, so Math 4 is just the next college prep math class. Okay, so that's college prep. Now, if you got a D or an F in Math 3, you can repeat Math 3. Now, there are some other options, and I noticed not many of you picked the other options. So let's go through those. These are your math electives. Okay, so for math electives, we have two. We have AP Statistics, and we have Business Finance. So let's go over one at a time. AP Statistics. If you got an A or a B in Math 3, then you can take AP Statistics. Question is, should you? Well, it's up to you. As an elective, it could be taken instead of Math 4. Or if you want, you could take Math 4 and AP Statistics. You can take both of those classes next year if you wish. Now, the breakdown on AP Statistics. It is an AP course. It's going to be more work than Math 4. However, it's going to be easier than calculus. So you might consider it your senior year, right? So if you're a sophomore, maybe you're going to do Math 4 next year and then AP Statistics as a senior. You might want to, again, consider taking both. Or if you're a junior this year, you might say, hey, I'd rather get that one AP math class under my belt than Math 4. So it's an option. I didn't see anyone sign up for it. And usually I do get probably 4 or 5 students who sign up for it. So I'm guessing that some of you just weren't aware that you could take it. Okay, our other math elective is Business Finance. Okay, now Business Finance is a non-college prep. Okay, so it is not a college prep math class. This math class is aimed at students who need some more math units to graduate because they're not passing Math 2. So this is going to be really the easiest math class Irvine High offers. That doesn't mean you can't take it. I just want you to understand it's not a college prep math class. It's when you apply to a college, they will see this as non-college prep credit. However, it is an elective, so that means you could take Math 4 and Business Finance next year. I had a student who took AP Statistics and Business Finance the same year. So since these are math electives, you can take them with other math classes, right? These are not your core classes. Whereas Math 3, Math 4, those are the core classes. Now, Business Finance, this is open to anyone because, as I said, it's geared for kids who haven't even passed Math 2. So anyone, right, any one of you can take it, whether you get an A, B, C, D, or F. Okay. All right, now, there is one other option, and it's another core course. And it's kind of a rare choice, but I'll go over it real quick because I noticed one student did sign up for this. And that is Enhanced Math 3. Okay. Now the Enhanced Math 3, I would say, is for a student that got an A in Math 3. I would say you should currently be in 10th grade. Because the idea for Enhanced Math 3 would be, I'm a 10th grader right now, and I love math. I want to be an engineer. I want to get a degree in math or physics. I want a career that's going to be heavily math related. If that is you, you're a 10th grader, you're acing Math 3, it's easy for you, then go ahead, choose Enhanced Math 3 next year. The reason being, it will give you Calculus A. And then you could move on and take Calc BC as a senior. Okay. Otherwise, I would suggest go to Math 4. Okay. If you're currently a junior, you may as well just go to Math 4. If you're not pursuing engineering or physics or something like that, Math 4 is probably the best choice for you. Again, Enhanced Math 3 is for kids that want to pursue a career in engineering or something heavily math related. Okay, so hopefully this helps you. Please send me an email if you did not pick a math class for next year. Send me an email telling me which class or classes. Again, you could do Math 4 and AP Statistics. You could do Math 4 and Business Finance, right? You could do Enhanced Math 3 and AP Statistics. All right, so send me an email saying, hey, I want to take this class. I forgot to sign up, and I'll recommend you for that class. Or if you already signed up for a class, I noticed one student signed up for only Business Finance. Maybe you changed your mind. You want to do Business Finance and Math 4, or maybe you just want Math 4 or whatever. So if you've changed your mind, please send me an email and I'll make the recommendation for the other class for you. And lastly, there is one other option. This is probably the worst option in my opinion. You could choose no math for next year. Because if you have passed Math 3, you have met the minimum requirement to go to a four-year college. But remember, that's the minimum requirement. So even if you want to be an English major in college, if somebody else has taken 4 years of math and wants to be an English major, they're going to look better than you. So no math is an option, but be very careful about no math because it does make your application a little bit weaker when you apply to a four-year college. Okay, guys, hope that helps out. Thanks.